This is Ukraine, a vast land of forests and grain, ravaged by centuries of conquest, still showing the scars today. Ukraine is famous for the world's worst nuclear disaster, suffered decades of Soviet oppression and a civil war. What on earth am I doing here? But there's one legacy left by its invaders which I want to explore. A vast 13,000-mile railway. Wow, that is breathtaking! I plan to travel from the border with the EU in the west to the shores of the Black Sea. It's a massive setup to find out why this region has been fought over for so long. Good night, Sweden. And now they're finally standing on their own 2 feet. Slovenia. I think I'm in love. How are they getting on? I think we know why they've got 13,000 miles of railway in this country. Because the roads are dreadful. Expect the unexpected. Or is this a railway to